Check out this table. So beautiful, so clean, so white. What do you see? Nothing, right? I build quads and shoot videos on this table, so I have to keep this table clean and white. In this week's episode of Gadget Mondays, I'll be talking about a gadget I use to keep this table nice and clean. This is a silicone soldering mat. What is it? It's a silicone soldering mat. Silicone has a melting point of 300 Celsius or 572 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's used in a lot of applications where high heat resistance is needed. So silicone is a perfect material for a soldering mat. My old table was covered in burn marks and solder splatter everywhere. After I build a quad, there's always little bits of cut wires and solder splatter and trash everywhere. Solder mat helps keep my table clean because after I build, I just take this thing and just shake it over a trash can. All the trash is gone, and then if it gets dirty, I just wash it. This mat I have right here is about 2 years old and it still looks perfect. But most importantly, my table looks nice and clean. These mats come in all different sizes and colors, but I like this blue one because it makes finding screws and other small parts really easy. The blue on with black hardware, the stuff just pops out. I had a black one before, but the black mat with black hardware, sometimes it was really hard to find screws. And I like this one because it has all these little different compartments where you can put like really tiny things in here. And it's even got these pads right here are magnetic, so if you need parts that you don't want flying all over the place, you can just put these here. And then it's got even this little compartment right here where I use for my soldering vise. I just use one of these sticky finger pads, and I just put it on the bottom of my soldering vise and then peel the other side off, and then I just stick it right here, and then it kind of holds it in place. So when I need to solder boards, I just put a board in here and it's held in place, and I can just do all my soldering right here. You can even put solder directly on the board and nothing will happen, like that. You can even try to burn the silicone and nothing will happen. I've got my soldering iron set at 850, which is the highest right now, and I'm putting solder directly on the mat. All it's doing is leaving these little brown marks, but you can easily just wash these off. These pads are only about 18 bucks, so I really don't see a reason why you don't have one. It gives you a nice clean surface to build your quad without worrying about damaging or burning your table. And then with all these little compartments, it makes keeping organized when you do build so much easier. So I hope you found this video helpful. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!